I'd like to address this frame 2-5, which is the first time that you have to access our online microscope and import what you see from the microscope into this frame. There are a few ways to do this. So right now I'm going to cover the way that you can do this in Miro itself without using a browser or anything else. So in Miro, you're always provided with an iframe below that gives you a connection right to the website. So this is as though I clicked on that link up here that says to click on it. It also says click on white adipocytes from the reading pane on the right. I'm going to do that. Click on white adipocytes. And then it says to download the microscope picture, which ideally, if I were on the website itself, I could use this little button to download it. However, you can't do that from an iframe. I don't want to take just this little tiny picture here, right? How did I get this wider angle view that I have up here? What I did was I collapsed the right side reading pane by using these two arrows from the menu at the top. And so when I collapsed that, I get this nice little view of adipose tissue. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a screenshot. And now I can come up here to the frame and I can just hit Control or Command V as in Victor, and now I have pasted my picture into the frame. I can put a label here like nucleus, however you spell that, and I also can use the pen to circle a nucleus. Now, if you're going to use the pen to circle a nucleus, I suggest that you put, the nucleus right in the center of your view and magnify it as much as you can. And then that way, when you circle the nucleus, it's actually not as awkward as you would try to do it if you were zoomed out.